Oh my goodness, look at what landed on my doorstep today. It is going to be pretty rainy in Southern California today, and no better way to spend a day inside, nice and dry, than being creative with a brand new kit from Planners Anonymous. This box, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you don't know, Planners Anonymous changed things up for 2024, and they split up their subscription into options that are good for someone who is just a planner, for someone who's just a paper crafter. Oh my gosh, sorry. I really am truly opening this up right in front of you. Anyway, and so with those changes, with those subscription changes, they also changed the way the box is packaged. And I'm super excited about it because this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. The kits now come in storage organizers. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the Planner Lover kit. Yeah, Planner Lover kit. And then this is the Paper Lover kit. So I subscribe to both. Let me just make sure I'm giving you the right information. Yes, this is the Paper Lover kit. It comes, I'm going to move this aside, but let's just take a look at this gorgeous box. I can't believe how gorgeous it is. And the reason why the spine is also printed right here on the inside of the box is because you can turn this box inside out. It's reversible. And there's a way that you can cut it so that you can use it as storage. Very much like a magazine organizer. And I'll have to show you that maybe in a video to come. But meanwhile, let's put that aside and let's bring these in. Oh my gosh, okay, so I can take this off and I can take this off. Oh my gosh. So the theme for the entire year of 2024 is chapters. So this is chapter 1 of a storyline. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just going to open these. So I love these. So because this is chapter 1, these storage bags are also labeled with the number 1 so that you can keep your chapters organized. Okay, so I don't know which one I'm going to open first. I guess I'll open the Planner Lover subscription kit. So it comes with all these goodies. Let's see. Sorry. Sorry for the noise. I'm so excited right now. I am so excited. Okay. Wow. Okay, so previously there were 3 washis included in the way their previous structure was, their previous subscription structure was, and this time there's 3, 4, and then a really nice custom washi. Wow. Okay, so, and then you get, ooh, I love this washi card. That is pretty. And then you get a journaling card with a story. Super pretty. And then we got some, what is this? This looks like a notepad. Oh, that's cute. And I believe this is a sticky notepad. So it comes with a regular notepad and then a sticky notepad that matches chapter 1. The theme of, okay, this is fabulous. Love, love, and love. Okay, and then I really want to dive into this right here because this is, I think, my favorite part about this particular subscription. So it comes with this beautiful reusable folder. Wow. Beautiful reusable folder. It's gorgeous. And this contains lots and lots of stickers. I love the folder. And then again, in Planner's Anonymous style, everything has the number 1 so that you can identify your chapters. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's, wow, lots of stickers. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is Kiss Cut right around the flowers. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know what I'm doing today. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I am a huge fan of pastels, so there's that. This is gorgeous. This is a clear sticker sheet and a paper sticker sheet. Or this also clear. Oh no, this is clear. They're both clear. The minis. Look at her on her packing boxes with all the letters. Oh my goodness. Okay. Some quote or some wordfetti. Oh my goodness. It's cut like washi. That is adorable. It's got like a torn edge on the left and right. This is a foldable sticker. So what you do is you go like this. You fold it over like this. There's some perforations that make it nice and easy. And then you have a planner sticker that you can write, like maybe a private note that you don't want everybody to read or something like that in your planner. But that's a beautiful interactive sticker. Okay. And this is a first time for this. So this is just a patterned piece of sticker paper. So you can do anything with it. You can use your die cutting machine and metal dies, or you can use hole punches, or you can just tear it. I would imagine you can even run this in your printer and create your own headers and stuff like that. So maybe I'll try that. Wow, beautiful. So it's just one large sticker sheet. And then here are some sheets for your weeklies. So it has the days of the week, some icons, some decorative, and then this long box, which you can cut up if you need to into little boxes, or you can leave just this large strip. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Another week. Okay, so I see the week comes with a decorative sheet to follow, and then it goes into, okay, another week and a decorative sheet. Wow, this is incredible. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, wow, oh my goodness, this is a full sticker sheet. I can't even talk right. Oh my goodness, okay. So this is the Planner Lover Kit. You get a bunch of stickers. You get a month's worth of weekly sticker sheets for the month. You get washi, Post-its, a notepad, and a washi card or a bookmark. This can be used either way. A journal card, and the pouch to store it all in and take it with you on the go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are the washis. I'm so excited to look at the Paper Lovers subscription kit that maybe I'll show these washis at the end. I'm just too excited. I have to move on. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just put a picture of the swatching. Okay, so then this is the Paper Lovers subscription kit. And you can see it's smaller than the Planner Lover. And so, wow, what if this is not the end, but a new beginning? Oh, love it, love it. So if you're a scrapbooker, if you're a card maker, if you're a junk journaler, if you're a memory keeper, or if you're kind of do-it-all type person, which that would be me, then this is a great subscription for you. So I love that they have split these subscriptions up, because not everybody wants the stamp set if you're a planner. So if you are not into stamping, then you can just subscribe to the Planner Lover Kit and get all the stickers and washi and notepads. Okay, so we have some journaling cards, which are like, you know, Project Life cards, or, oh, these are really good quality. Wow, this is gorgeous. So you can journal on them. You can incorporate them into your planner. Wow. You can put them into a greeting card that you're sending out. Wow. Oh, I love anything that resembles old school stationery, like college rolled paper. That is adorable. It's okay to take a moment. Favorite self-care moments. That is absolutely stunning. Okay, so it comes with these journaling cards. Beautiful. The stamp set I am a huge fan of because I am a card maker and I love stamping in my planner as well. This is absolutely stunning. The peonies are gorgeous. I love that it has the chapter 1. So I gather that throughout the year, if you continue subscribing, you'll have a full set of numbers, which is really cool. Okay, so love it. Absolutely, absolutely love the stamp set. Then we have die cut stickers. So you get another journaling card if you subscribe to both kits. So, okay, so another journaling card. And then these, I won't go through all of them, but they are, I believe, adhesive backed, and they are, let's see, there we go, adhesive backed. Wow. So more stickers. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see. Oh, here's the box. Oh, so you can fold this. How cute. You can fold this to resemble an envelope like the box. That's adorable. I want to look at everything, but oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Here's a favorite. Just this outline of the floral. Beautiful. All right. Ooh. Okay. Please don't ruin anything. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay. Some Polaroids. Ooh, looks like you can pop this out. Well, that's a good use of paper, of sticker paper. You can pop this out. And so you can put a picture or a quote in here, and then you have this separate one as well. Wow, that's pretty great. Okay, I like it. I'll pop that one out. All right, so lots of die cut stickers. And then you get a set of papers. And I love these. When I make cards, I take a pretty large die cut that requires an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and I make a matching envelope a lot of times with these patterned papers. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you get, oh, 2 pieces of acetate. Beautiful. Okay, I'm in love. 2 pieces of vellum. Gorgeous. And then you get 2 copies of each double-sided paper. And the reason for that is the obvious. And besides that is if you're torn and you don't know which one to use, or you don't want to cut into this one because you love this pattern also for another project, then you essentially you have both at your disposal. So that's really cool. So I'll just turn one of these over so you can see the variety. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. The succulents and the peonies. Absolutely, absolutely stunning. So far, this one is my favorite. And then we have a scene. Okay. Oh, this is my second favorite. Beautiful. They smell so freshly printed. They feel so brand new. This is gorgeous. This was my favorite. Look at that. Okay, so paper lovers, add to your stash of printed cardstock. beautiful with vellum and acetate as well. And then add to your stamp collection, add to your journaling cards, and who wouldn't love stickers? So there you go. This is the paper lover kit and the planner lover kit. Of course, I have to have all of it. It's Planners Anonymous. You guys know. Faithful. Okay. All right, now I can't wait for chapter 2. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. Oh, I love these bags. I love this bag. I love this storage bag. Okay, so let's see these washies. I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second while I unroll these and get them ready to show you. Alrighty, I am back. I swatched out the washi for you guys. This is it. I just put it on sticker release paper because I don't want to waste it. I want to reuse this. So anyways, this is the washi set that you get in the Planner Lover subscription box. You get 5 rolls. You get a skinny and then some kind of standard sizes, a wide one, and then a specialty one. This is absolutely stunning. I need additional rolls of this one. This is just, oh my goodness. That is just stunning. So I wanted to show you the washi that comes in the box. And then I wanted to show you a little bit of an organization idea that I have that I do with my kits when they arrive. Whenever they arrive with die cuts, what I do is I take a sheet of sticker release paper, which is pretty much just sticker backing, like this. And this was some of the die cuts. I'll take the die cuts, I'll remove the protective cover on the back to release the adhesiveness, and I just place them all on a 5x7 sheet of sticker release paper. I do that because this tends to add bulk to my storage, and I just can't see everything the way I can when it's on a sheet when I'm decorating my planner. So this is something I really like to do. I believe you can find sticker release paper on Amazon. This is one that was 8.5 by 11, and I trimmed it down to 5x7. And then you can store all your sticker die cuts here with your other sheets of stickers. And it just kind of all goes together, and you can see what all of your options are when you sit down to plan, and it just all lays flat. That's what I like the most, is that it lays flat for storage. So that is my recommendation for the die cuts. And you guys didn't think that I could let you go without experimenting with the storage box and seeing what they meant by reusable and recyclable. Oh my goodness, you guys, this was the storage box. This was the box, the shipping box that my subscriptions came in. I turned it inside out because it is reversible. So the inside here is what was previously on the outside when they shipped my box to me. And look at how they designed this box so that it can become storage. The spine, let's see if I can get it in view, is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Look at that. It's like they planned it, which they did. And I like that this little tab, it doesn't say chapter 1, for example, like everything else that's labeled chapter 1, because you never know, you may be able to fit 3 kits in here, and you can put chapter 1 through 3 or whatever you store in here. It doesn't have to be your kits. So I just cut this up. I just kind of put a ruler here and just cut it like that, and then cut this straight. And then I used that as a pattern for when I cut the other side so that they would match. And if you want, just comment below and I can do a tutorial as I do this. But it literally took me maybe 5 minutes to do. Look at that. Stunning. And then you could even use this storage, so you don't have to use it this way necessarily, which I guess would be considered horizontally. You can also use it vertically, like this. And look at the spine when you use it vertically. Look at how gorgeous it is. I know it's upside down, but it just looks like a book. Stunning. So I don't know if I'll be using it like this. I have a feeling I'll be using it like this. And then, as you can see, all the pretties just fit right in here. How clever is that? That is absolutely amazing. So I just wanted to show you that. I couldn't resist. Just had to do it. So there you go. There is my chapter 1, the very first chapter in a series of 12 chapters to be released this year, 2024, at plannersanonymous.com or plannersanon.com. So I'll leave links for you down below. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.